a smile to light up the day, and I watched your love like an endless parade, and I'd celebrate your every move.
Alam ni Lord, bago pa kayo sinilang ang mangyayari sa inyong buhay. Dadaan kayo sa joyful moments, dadaan kayo sa sorrowful moments. Alam ni Lord yun. At darating kayo sa glorious moments. Ibig sabihin, sasamahan kayo ni Lord. Pangako yun. Alam ni Lord na hindi nyo kakayanin ang buong kwentong ito without the best companion in life and coach. Si Lord yun.
But don't you start running now. If I am your only doubt, 'cause nothing could slow me down when I'm on my way to you.
I, Angelo, take you, Frances Celine, as my wife. I promise to be true to you, in sickness, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
So take all the time in the world for me, and I'll start a fire that burns on me, and I'll catch the ashes in my hands. Maybe the smoke is too thick to see how brightly my love still burns. But don't you start running now. If I am your only doubt, 'cause nothing could slow me down when I'm on my way to you. Don't you start
Celebrate love. Love is suffering.
if I
Love
am
is heroic and
your
prayerful.
only
All these things,
doubt, 'cause
kaya
nothing
nyo
could
sa tulong ni Lord.
slow me
One more time, magmahalan kayo. Magmahalan kayo. Magmahalan kayo. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Angelo and Frances Celine Siquiopo.